Hey guys, thanks for dropping by Design by Kathy. Today we're going to do a painting. It's going to be kind of similar to what we did in the last video, but where we used a cotton string in the last video doing the string technique. This time we're going to be using a chain. See what kind of different look that gives us, or if it gives us a different look at all. So let's get started and see what this looks like. I have a 12 by 12 canvas that we're going to be using, and I'm going to take and first put a coat, my base coat of white, and I've got this. I'm going to try to finish off what's in here because that one is just about had it, but I want to get every last little bit. So I want to spread this around, and I don't want it super thin. I don't want it super thick. I just want a nice, pretty nice, good coat on here. Because as we're pulling the chain through, I don't want it to, I don't want it to pull all the paint off down to the bare canvas. I have no additives in this paint. It's just right out of the bottle, and it is white, an apple barrel white. My little sheets here want to keep sliding around. Using my gloves to spread this, you can certainly tell where you, if you miss a place, you can certainly tell with this. With gloves, kind of lets you know pretty quickly. Okay. Now I have plenty of paper towels handy, and you're gonna probably need those. I'm gonna see if I can just slightly drag over just a little bit, because I want this to be nice and smooth. I don't wanna see where, my fingers all ran through that. And I don't want brush strokes, so that's why I don't have a brush, but this works. It works just as well. You could use a brush also if you wanted to. So, okay, so now I've got this metallic amethyst that is folk art. And this is what I want to use to make our pattern with the chain. So I'm going to have my paper towel ready. I had my chain ready, and now it has a knot in it. That's about my luck. So I'm going to add a little bit of my Liquitex pouring medium to this amethyst color. So a little bit, not necessarily even as much as I would if we were going to be doing a pour. Stir that up really well. And I'm going to come around to the side so that you will be able to see a little better. You won't be looking at it upside down. You'll be looking at it sideways, but we'll see how that works. So I'm going to dip my chain, and I just have this little, just little small little chain. I sort of went blank there, sorry. Now, I want to pull it out. I don't want to drag all the paint off, but I don't want it to be clumps of paint on here either. So let's see how this will work. I still have a ways to go here. Okay, I'll set that up out of the way. I'm going to start with my chain, much like we did on the other one. And just keep going back and forth with your chain, oops, with the paint on it. And then I'm going to start dragging, and I want to kind of hold on to it here at the bottom, and I want to drag. Oh, that's beautiful. It does, the chain, this little ball chain, does give a much different look than what we got with the cotton string. Not that that's a bad thing. I like the cotton string just as well, but I just, you know, we're seeing what kind of different effect that this will do. That is beautiful. I really like that. I want to do another, well, you know what? I'm going to do a little short one. I think that might make it a little easier than I did the last one we did. I did the two tall ones first, and back and forth. And again, I want this one smaller. Oh, geez, that stuck to my hand. It's a little, whatever, but it stuck to my hand, and then it didn't want to. That is really, really cool. It is messy. Not going to say that it's not, but I love that. I think it's really cool. And again, it's just a different, it is a different, if, you know, you go back and look at the other video for comparison, you get just a little bit of, you know, different kind of detail, if you will, from the chain versus the string. Okay, now I want to try over here to do another tall one. Whoops. Uh-oh. I'm just holding my finger down here at the bottom of the chain just to kind of guide it so it'll stay pretty much in the same place as it drags off of here. what do you think? Think put another little small one or a little bitty one right there? We can try that. Let's see if we can get just a little bit of our string in the paint. Or chain in the paint. I'm using purple. I like purple, but it's also my daughter's favorite color. And she is coming to see me from Texas tomorrow, actually. And I haven't seen her since December, so I am so excited. So I chose purple. Since that is her favorite color. Just purple in honor of, oh geez, of her and her visit. Okay, I like that. May add a little bit, some little embellishments or something after this dries a little bit. I'm gonna turn it this way so you can see. That is really pretty and really cool. I think I love the effect of it. So anyway, find you a little ball chain and 2 colors of paint. Give it a try. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that and I hope you'll give it a try. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave me a comment below, and I hope you'll like, share, and subscribe to my videos. I look forward to seeing you next time. And you know, whatever you do, make it yours, make it personal, and I know you can do it. Have a good day.